In this tutorial, we'll write a Java program to convert map, which is a hash map, to list. So I start by importing java.util. Now see, I need to import map as well. I need to import array list, and a lot of other things. So what I do is I'll just pass hash over here, which means this will basically import all of the libraries from java.utilities. Okay, so I don't need to mention everything separately. And inside this function, I say I create a map which will basically take integer and its corresponding string. Okay, and we create a map equals to new, and I pass hash map. Okay, and we finally put some values into it. We pass, remember, we need to pass integer first and then string. So I pass 1 a. Okay, and I'll do this same for, let's say I want to add 4 to 5 or 6 elements. So I'll say 1 2 3 4 5, and from here I pass a, b, and then c and d and e. Okay, so I've created a map and I have basically created 5 elements into the map. And then we need to create, basically if we want to convert it into the list, we need to create two lists or array lists. So I create list. First will be a integer which will store keys, and second will be a string and data type of list which will store strings. So first is integer, and let's say key list equals to new array list, and in array list I gave my map dot key set. Okay, this is list 1. Another list is our string list, which will have a which is our basically value list. Okay, this is new array list, and inside this I say map dot values. Okay, so now I have two lists. One is a integer data type of key list, which has the keys of the map, and second is a string data type of value list, which has the values of the map. And finally we print them. So we say key list equals to key list. Okay, and then we have our values list. Values list equals to we have our value list. Okay, so let's run it and see if things are fine. There we go. So first we created a map of type integer and string. We'll give one integer and its corresponding string, and we have put basically 5 elements into it. And then we have created two lists of one integer data type, other string data type, and in one integer data type of list we are basically storing the key set of map, and in value list, which is a string data type, in this we are basically storing the values of the map. And finally we are printing the key list and value list. This is one way. There are some another way as well. There will be more, but I have another way as well. So we will use some streams to convert our map into list. So what I'll do is I'll import java dot util dot stream dot collectors, and right here I'll say my list, which is integer of type. This is key list equals to map dot key set. I'm getting the keys, and dot stream, I'm streaming them, and then we collect them into our, basically we need to convert them into list. So I'll say collectors dot to list. Okay, so this will basically convert all the keys. This will first stream the keys and then collect them and convert them into the list and store it into a key list, which is again an integer data type of list. We'll do same for um, values as well. So I have value list equals to map dot values dot stream dot collect, and I'll say collectors dot to list. Okay, so basically I have used the stream into this. I have got the keys first and then stream them and collect them and converted them into the list. And for values I have called map.values to get the values, to stream them and then collect and convert them to list and store them into key list and value list, and finally we are printing. So let's run it and see if they works. We have got, okay, I guess key k is small. I have some naming convention problems. V small. Let's run again, and there we go. We had a map and we have key list as 1 2 3 4 5, and we have value list as a b c d e, which means this also works fine. So that's it with this tutorial, and I'll see you in next video with a new program.